So I got something really cool.
Yeah.
Hold on. The secret. The secret. Pop, 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 pop.
Hope you can hear that. Look at that.
Isn't that cool?
Ow. I hurt my tongue.
Pop rocks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pop rocks.
What you do is you chew them and then you swallow them right away.
You bite them once, or you just swallow them.
And they like pop down your throat. It's so cool.
Pop rocks. Good time to have pop rocks.
And while I'm doing this, look at what I did. I was really bored, so I decided to stick something in my ear. And it hurt like crazy, but I did it anyway.
So you're just sitting there,
Yeah.
watching us see pop rocks.
I
Think
was-
of what is wrong with me.
I was talking on the phone, and I'm like, hey, look at this thing. Yeah. Pop rocks are really good. You should get some.
Oh yeah.
Mine are almost gone.
Why not? Let me see.
Ooh.
Look it. There's them in there.
I should put these all in my mouth.
I'm just gonna do that. Okay.
That hurt.
It's like rain.
Ah, it's stuck in my teeth. You could make a band with these poppy thingies.
Sorry.
They're cool, aren't they?
The pop rocks.
You guys doing it now?
Eating pop rocks.